Now at some times where I will be giving some special condition. I'll be telling my PA, look closely, hear closely, okay. I'll be telling my PA, go to all the 10 classes. So what was the previous condition? I told wherever you are, whenever you see a person called Karthik, you just come and let me know. Because I don't know who's Karthik, so I'm gonna just check everybody. Okay. Now I'm gonna give a little specific condition. You go and see all the classes. If you found Karthik in any one of the class, that is, when you found him for the very first time, that's it. You no need to travel after that. You just come back to me. That's it. Now, what is the condition? He should stop traveling as soon as the condition that I given is satisfied. So, what you have to do? Simply put, break statement. What you have to do? Simply put the break statement. Now, look at this. As soon as no, let me have some other line. India Python, because since I have a P, right, it may stop in the first go. So when I run, there you see it ran still this failure because everything got failure. As soon as it attains the first success, that is when it reaches the P, the code has been halted. That's the beauty of a break statement in for loop. What it is going to do, it is completely gonna halt the program. That's what the beauty of break. Okay, you can keep break anywhere. So the only thing which is gonna do, what the break is gonna do is that it is gonna halt the program whenever it sees that particular break statement. Okay.